Can you sound like Master of Puppets on the Fender Champion 20? The shocking answer is yes. I'm gonna give you 5 quick steps to dial in your tone, and then I'm gonna play it on 2 different guitars to give you a different perspective. And real quick, be sure to stay tuned till the end, because at the end of the video, I'll give you all the different audio samples back to back so you can hear them compared immediately. Stay tuned for that. So step number 1, turn the voice knob to metal red. The voice knob tells you what kind of amp the Fender Champion 20 will simulate, everything from a Tweed all the way through your black plate, through your British amps, all the way to metal. And again, set it to metal red. That's the Fender Supersonic amp. That's a higher gain Fender amp. Now, once you have that set, let's go to step 2, which is to dial in the gain. Check this out. Take your gain and put it on 5. Beyond 5, I didn't feel like I was gaining anything. I just felt like 5 was a good setting. Why turn it up if it's not really adding anything useful? So set your gain on 5. Next, set your volume on 5. Now, if you're in a situation where you can't turn the amp up loud, I would recommend putting in some headphones and turning it up, and here's why. 1, 2, and 3 on the amp is really more muted. It sounds almost like there's a sheet over the amp. When you turn it up to 4, it starts to open up. I feel like 5 is where the tone really starts to shine. So if you're in a situation where you can, turn the volume on 5. Now, let's go to step number 4, which is to set the EQ. Go ahead and take your treble and set it up to 7. You see it right there. And you guessed it, that leads us straight to step number 5, which is to take your bass and put it on 3. By the way, if you're enjoying this step-by-step tutorial, I did a video on how to dial in a gorgeous clean tone on this amp. I did it for my Fender Champion 20 tone course. I'll give you a free sample of it. If you just click down below where it says sign up for my newsletter, you just sign up there, it's free, I won't spam you, and you'll get the link to the Fender Champion 20. If you really enjoy that video, you're gonna love my Fender Champion 20 tone course. Just go ahead and get the free video there, tell me what you think about it, and then if you love it, I would recommend getting the Fender Champion 20 tone course. All right, let's keep going. Now, a quick review. We've set the voice knob to metal red, our gain on 5, our volume on 5, our treble on 7, and our bass on 3. Let's hear what we have so far. All right. Now, I told you I would play it on a different guitar and give you a bonus feature, so let's do that real quick. So I just used my Ibanez RG550 and I used the bridge pickup, which is a humbucker. But what if you have a guitar that does not have a humbucker on it? Well, here's my Squier Telly, and I'm gonna put it on the bridge pickup right here. Now, let's see what kind of tone we get. Okay, I'm back to my Ibanez RG550, but as you can tell, when you change guitars, you might need to change your settings up. So you might need to change the treble or bass, you might need to change the gain or volume, so just keep that in mind. Now, as promised, back to back. So what'd you think? If you enjoyed this step-by-step approach on how to dial in the Master of Puppets tone, would you please give me a like and share this with anybody else that you think would enjoy this video? And if you don't own the Fender Champion 20, but you like what you heard, you can buy it. Down in the description section below where it says buy now, I am an Amazon affiliate and at absolutely no extra charge to you. If you buy it there, I get a small commission. It's just one way I support this channel and be looking for additional options to buy. I'm hoping to add some more affiliate links as well. And as I mentioned earlier, if you like step-by-step tutorials, I did the Fender Champion 20 tone course. Down below, I'll also put a link for that. I highly recommend it. I cover lots of different styles from country, clean tones, to rock, to metal. So I highly recommend you check that course out. I think it'll be worth your time and money. And if there's anything else you would like to know about this amp, down in the comment section below, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I have more videos for you to watch. I recently did an in-depth dive into this amp from the perspective of, is it worth the money? Is it overpriced? If you want to see that, click right there. And as always, click right here, subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you get notifications as soon as I come out with more content like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day. Bye.